Kaniyaran na siya tinawag.
What's this?
Nay.
How many eggs do you have? Count
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
it. 20 of eggs.
I need a 5.
Count it.
1,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11. And why did you not sold your mango to Lula? Lula dito ulit. Sige. Sold it for 25 centavos. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yay! Okay, sold that to one. Sold it to Lulit, Auntie Lulit. Lula Lulit. Sige. We need money. One, two. That's egg.
What's the color of the egg roll?
Name the color.
Lolo. Here.
Uy na, nami lagi siya ko ano. Kasi na, yun. Palitan si Ginana. Pangbalay. Nani ba? O mga nani ba? Pero
Asa?
dili ma... Pakan.
Gikan man ni Auntie Sally eh. Katong sa diha man nga naudan siya og pants.
Guwapo mo lagi. Yung yung dagko.
Naman pud siya daghan gipalit di ba?
That's
Auntie.
A. A. A.
Eh,
B. B. C. C. Normal. Normal. A. B.
ikaw on. Mahal mo nagkatawa. What? Really dear my...
That.
No!
Wake up.
Yes, I wake up really.
Yoy.
We cannot...
Yoy.
By the TV, we cannot sit the TV. So we will then... Ha? Yes, yes. Yes, yes, man.
Yoy.
Ay, Roy. You will dance? You like to dance?
Yoy.
Sweet, sweet?
Wake up. Yoy.
I'm going to dance.
Yoy.
Roy. Up. Up. Oh. Be careful, ba? What's that?
Yoy.
Roy. What is your name, baby?
Wake up.
Yeah, we will wake up early.
Yoy. Yoy.
One plus one. What is the answer? 1 plus 1. Roy.
Yoy. Wait.
You practice to eat chicken. Huh? Huh? Pauwi ko ka na. Uy, siya. Asa ko na to sila? I've been wake up. You pull it up.
Yoy.
You pull your pants up.
Yoy.
Ah, maminaw.